Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Warframe crashing on your PC. So the first thing what you need to do here, you need to make sure that you fully updated your GPU drivers. And to do so, what you need to do is, depending on what GPU you're using, NVIDIA or AMD, there are separate apps to that. I believe AMD has a AMD Radeon app, and if you're using NVIDIA, there is a GeForce Experience app, right? So it's completely free to download from official NVIDIA site. And what you need to do here is you need to go to drivers, here check for updates, and if there is an update, please download it and install it. And after that, you need to check if the game is working for you or not. And if the game is not working, then you need to go back on Steam, go to library, Warframe, properties, and go to local files and press verify integrity of the game files. So maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed. So it will take a couple of minutes, and after that you can launch the game, and you need to see if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to verify and optimize the download cache. So you need to just press play. And once you're on this window here, you need to press this little gear icon and then just verify download cache here. And after it verifies, then go back on gear icon and press optimize. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not after you restart your computer. And if the problem persists, then you can change DirectX version. So if we go on this gear icon here, as you can see here, for me it's set up DirectX 11, and you can change it to DirectX 12 here, and you need to see if it's working for you or not. And if it's not working, then try to run the game in windowed mode. So what you need to do here is to press on this gear icon, and if you select full screen, select windowed mode, just deselect full screen and try to run the game and see if the problem persists or not. But it should fix the problem. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.